Okay, I'm getting ready to harvest my second round of beautiful pineapples. They looking golden yellow and ready to harvest. Let's see what this one over here look like. Okay. Oh boy, look at this beautiful crown you wearing here. Looks beautiful. Let me get ready to harvest you. See if I can twist you out with one hand here. Oh, twist you off. Yes. Ah! Yes, it's ready. It's ready. It's ready. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. And it has a little puff baby growing right there straight up. Gonna have another pineapple coming out of you. Look at you. You look so beautiful. Okay. Okay. Your crown looking beautiful too. I'm gonna reuse these tops, regrow these tops. Okay, let me see if I can twist you off. Ah! Look at that beautiful pineapple. Look at that beautiful pineapple. And that little puff right there, baby growing right there, coming out. Got his crown showing. Okay. Great. Ah, look at that, look at that, look at that. Two more beautiful pineapples grown from Big Mama's garden. Yes. Looking beautiful. I know y'all are gonna be sweet and juicy too. Oh, look at those beautiful tops on y'all. I'm gonna replant those tops and grow me some more beautiful pineapple grown in Big Mama's garden.